Welcome to Western GMC Buick. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2015 GMC Yukon Denali. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with chrome alloy rims. We have our chrome running boards, rear privacy tint, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, tri-zone climate, as well as our sunroof and power liftgate. Now moving on to the interior of our Yukon Denali. On our door card we can see we have our black leather, as well as our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in option. Then below that we have our memory seat option, speaker and storage. Nice wood trim found in the door panel as well. And side of the seat we have our power seat adjustment and lumbar support controls. Left of the steering wheel we have some controls for the vehicle, including our heads-up display, lighting, four-wheel drive, trailer brake, our park assist, lane departure warning, traction control, and pedal adjustment. Our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with Denali badging in the middle, our push start, infotainment screen with navigation and backup camera. It also folds up to reveal plenty of storage room behind, as well as a USB port. We have our radio controls and CD player underneath, dual zone climate controls, tri-zone I should say, with our rear as well. Heated and air conditioning cooled seats for driver and passenger, charging outlets, and two cup holders under the second. Padded leather center console lid with phone holder, Denali embossed into the black leather headrests, and then perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. On our rear view mirror we have OnStar controls, and above that are three garage door openers, our power liftgate controls, and sunroof. Back onto the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with chrome accents, Denali badging in chrome, as well as our running boards, paint matched mirror caps, and door handles, our rear privacy tint. And then around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Yukon badging in chrome, GMC badging, and our power liftgate. Inside of which we have plenty of storage room. You can see the mats for the vehicle, and the controls to fold down the rear seats. Now onto the rear interior, we can see the door panel is also featured in black leather. We have our window switch, wooden trim speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have speakers and a leather magazine holder. And then back of the center console area we have our rear charging outlets, heated seat options, DVD inputs, and storage. DVD player overhead. Rear bucket seats are featured in black leather with our perforated leather and fold-down armrest. And in the rear we do have a additional 60/40 split bench, currently folded down to showcase how much storage we have inside, and the controls for that are located off to the back. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2015 GMC Yukon Denali. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Western GMC Buick sometime very soon.